Okay, we are going to look at the for statement, the while statement, and the repeat statement. Okay, they are all three of them are loops, and the main purpose of a loop is to execute the same code more than once, or some statements more than once. Okay, the first one is the for statement. When you want to create a for statement, you must make a counter, declare a variable I, and then you can initialize it as I is equals to 1, and it must run up to, let's say, the value 12. So it's going to execute this line of coding 12 times. Okay. You should use a for statement if you know how many times your loop will execute. Okay, so I know my loop will have to execute at least 12 times over here, so I am using a for statement for I to 12. And then I will just display that value I in my reach edit 1. Okay, with the while statement, you must declare your own counter. So I'm going to use the variable k. I'm going to initialize it with the value 1. And then I'm going to say while k is smaller than 12, you must do the coding in here. Okay, so while k is smaller than 12, you must execute the coding in here, or basically repeat the coding in my while statement. So the first time k will be 1. Is k smaller than 12? Yes, that's true. So it will go in. It will display that k, which will be 1, in my reach edit. Then it will increase k by 1. So now when it goes back up, k will be 2, and it will test again. Is k, which is 2, is it smaller than 12? Yes, it's true. And it will repeat the coding again. This coding will repeat until this statement is false. Okay, so this while will run while this is true. Okay, this while statement will run while this is true. Okay, let's test it quickly. So it's going to go all the way 1 to 12. Okay, so if you want 12 to be added, you can just change that one to 13, and then you will add number 12 for you as well. Okay, then the repeat statement is quite similar than the while statement. You still need to declare your own variable, initialize it. The coding will, the main difference between a repeat and a while is that with a repeat statement, all the coding will be executed at least once before Delphi will test. And the other thing is, with a repeat statement, the loop will stop if the statement is true. So it's not going to run while it's true, it's actually going to run while it's false. So as soon as this is true, it's going to stop. As soon as k is bigger than 12, then this whole thing will stop. Okay, so when I click on button 3, k will be 1. It's going to go into the repeat statement. It's going to display that 1 in my reach edit. Then it's going to get it's going to increase k. So k will be 2. 2 is 2 bigger than 12? No, it's false. So it will go up and repeat all the coding again until 12. K is actually not bigger than 12. Okay. So over here we are doing the same thing with a for, while, and a repeat, but you can maybe just modify and edit it so it will suit your needs. For example, a while statement is usually used to load in text files, information from a text file, because in a text file you don't know how many names or how many entries there will be. So you can't set a for statement for that, because there might be 1 line or there might be 10 lines. It all depends. So in that case, a while statement will be the better option. But if you know your code is only going to repeat, let's say 5 times or 10 times, then I would prefer using a for statement.